Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to recover your Instagram account with Google Authenticator. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and try to open your Instagram and go till you find here enter login code and wait till we get this code. Now, what you should do is simply go to your app store and search for Authenticator app, then go and download this application right here, Authenticator app with this logo. After that, download it and then install it, then open the application. Click on the restore button right here, and after that it will show you here these remote backups. Choose the first option, which is today. Then here on the top right side, click on unlock, just right here, and after that will show you here this message. Click on open sync and backup. Then it will show you here this page. Just toggle this option on, then click on done, and now copy this code right here. Just hold on it and you will copy it, then go back to this page and paste the code just right here, just like this. Then click on confirm and you will be able to log in into your account and to recover your Instagram account. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.